In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a project to Asana using a CSV, Excel, or Google Sheets file. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account, then head to your homepage. This is the main dashboard you see when you first open Asana, and it's where you can access your teams, projects, and quick actions. We're going to start from here so you can follow along from a familiar place. On the home screen, look towards the area where you usually create new work, such as new tasks or projects. You'll see an option that lets you create something new. Click on that area to open the Creation menu. From this menu, choose New Project. This is what tells Asana you want to build a full project rather than just a single task. Once you click New Project, Asana will open a window with different ways to get started. Instead of starting from a blank project or a template, look for the option labeled Import. Go ahead and click on Import. This is where Asana lets you bring in project data from a CSV, Excel file, or from Google Sheets. You'll now see a prompt to Select File to Import. Click on this button. This tells Asana you're ready to choose the file from your computer or your drive. At this stage, it's helpful if your spreadsheet is already prepared with clear column headings like task name, assignee, due date, and so on. While we're not changing your file here, having it tidy beforehand makes the import much smoother. After clicking to select a file, Asana will show you an area that says something like Select a File or Drag and Drop. You can either click to browse your folders and pick your CSV or Excel file, or you can drag the file from your desktop straight into this box. If you're using Google Sheets, first export or link it so that you can select it in this step. Once your file is uploaded, Asana will offer an option to continue with Asana AI. Click on this. Asana AI helps interpret your file and set up the project structure for you, making smart guesses about fields like tasks, sections, and due dates based on your column names. Finally, you'll see a Continue button. Review the summary on the screen, make sure it looks correct, then click Continue. Asana will now generate your new project from the imported file, and you'll be able to review and start working in it right away.